So hi everyone, it's Louise and welcome to this week's Colouring Club video. I'm so pleased you're joining me here, and if you're joining me here every week then thank you so much. Big shout out to Christine who always comments on my videos, and I'm really glad that you're enjoying all of the videos every week, and I hope your colouring book is looking amazing so far. And obviously lots of other people who are not commenting but are still following along with me. I hope your colouring book is looking wonderful. I'm just so pleased when I look through my book and see all the colouring pages starting to evolve. So today we are going to be colouring in this gorgeous Protea bloom. So this is in section 1, and this is quite a bit of a large print design for us. So I think I'm going to enjoy doing lots of kind of like gradient work and shading, and I'm going to try and keep the colour palette quite limited to pink, of course. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to actually be putting a lot of shadow in the bottom here, and then kind of creating kind of a bit of a light source. So shading very, very slightly and then adding more colour around here. So you'll see as we go through the video, but I thought as we've got quite a lot of space to colour, it will be really, really fun to obviously add some kind of like gradient, some light source. So it really, really helps this design pop out. And I can't wait to see how the finished design looks. And of course, I'll colour in the grayscale and you'll be able to see how that looks at the end of the video. So let's dive in, let's go for it. Thanks a lot, see you on the other side. So hi everyone, today I thought we would just do another little meditation video. I'm actually going to do a monochromatic colouring page here, which means it's mostly from the same kind of colour. I may add this little browny yellow in, I haven't decided yet, but just a reminder, we're colouring from my Colouring Botanical Blooms, Bouquets and Mandalas. This is the gorgeous Bloom Protea flower, and what I've actually done, you can see I've got a couple of these little blooms around here for inspiration. I've actually cut those, I colour copied and cut them out of my new cut and collage book here. So really great for inspiration if you're not going to use them in collaging. Really great resource. I left a link in the description if you're interested in my cut and collage books as well. So let's get colouring. I am going to just kind of blend a lot of the pinks today. So most of this is pretty much going to be pink, I think. Maybe I will come back and I might put some green in here actually, and now I'm thinking about it, so I'll do that as well. I'll add that to the colour palette. But as always, the colours are all in the description as well. We are using the Staedtler pencils, which are also water soluble as well. So if you wanted to, you could add a little bit of water to your colouring in. So I'm going to dive in, and I'm literally, because this is such a big surface here, I'm just going to blend the colours and just kind of see what kind of effect I can get as I go through. And I'm just going to enjoy the process of colouring, and I hope you enjoy it too. And I will also colour in the grayscale on the other side and show you the finished versions at the end of the video. So enjoy, and I'll see you at the end of the video. So everyone, that was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed colouring in this one this week, and I think it's definitely in my top 10. Yes, it is. I don't know if it's the pink or it's the blue background, but there's something about this one that just is so gorgeous and sunny, and it just makes me smile just to look at it basically. So I hope you guys enjoyed the colouring video, and I hope you had some fun kind of following along, doing a little bit of this kind of gradient and light source colouring here. And I hope that that was really interesting for you to add to these larger areas, which is really, really good fun. And actually, just to mention, this week I had 2 new books come out. My watercolour blooms, one's on vintage, and in the lesson earlier I actually used one of the pages from here for my colour inspiration. I did mention it in the video, but just to show you again, there's the Protea. That's what we use as our colour inspiration to colour in this gorgeous double spread, and I'm so happy with it. If you've got any questions about any of the colouring techniques or anything, my books, then just pop them in the comments below and I'll be back to answer them. And yep, I love this one, and I can't wait to see you guys next time. Thanks a lot again for joining in. Bye.